Hey everyone, it's Blue Power Ranger 92 here. Welcome to vlog number 6 and night vlog part 3. Sorry to wait so long. I apologize. Stretching my arm. So, my mom called a doctor at Hellspring. I guess I'm having a little appointment tomorrow, cause mom called the doctor. There's a piece of hair on the screen, sorry. But you know what? Mom and I, we should have appointments. Mom and I have the same cough problem. Mom said, it's bad cough. Oh my gosh. So, how are you today? Good? So did we. It's 18 days away till Christmas Eve. What am I going to talk about today? Let's find out on my wooden box under my lightsabers collection. I'll show you. This is 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Excuse me. From 2005 to 2010. It doesn't make sound. Press this button like this. You can see the light a little bit. And this right here, put the phone up like this, and press this button up here. Pretty cool. So there's a detail around it, and a removable thing here. And this one, well, you have to like a pin, like a wind down. Very cool. And now is the 11th Doctor from 2010 to 2013. Played by Matt Smith. Yeah. As you can tell, you press this button right here to make noise. And press this one right here to, like, you know. And there's hidden button, like open like this. See right here, the wet button. Go like that. Yeah. And this one, and played by David Tennant as the 10th Doctor. Sorry, I had a cough. You can find this on Amazon like this. I don't know how much those cost, but and this is sonic screwdriver, torch flashlight thing, like this one. You press this gold button, like this. You see here, it doesn't make sound. Yeah. This thing looks identical to this one, you know. Just in case when there's storms, the thunderstorm on the weather, always carrying these. A torch, sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who. See the green, as you can tell. Alright, I'll pick my nose, okay? I'll put it back on wooden box. There's one sonic screwdriver I made. Hold on, I'll be right back. Here he is, my own sonic screwdriver. It's almost similar to Matt Smith ones. You can create your own sonic screwdriver, something like that. You press this button right here. See right here? I press this button right here. Watch. Very cool, huh? Sorry, my nose itchy. Very cool. So move it out of the way. Drama, drama, drama. I'll be going to the doctor tomorrow about cough problem. But Mom has cough problem too. She'll be her, not me. But I know she's trying to help me out. Getting better. And the awesome doesn't work. That's baloney. Oh, I can show you too. This thing, a call thing to grab something, says Sonic. I got it from Goodwill. Pretty neat. That looks like a Dr. Claw from Inspector Gadget. I'll get you next time, Gadget. Is anything out there you want to talk about Christmas? I'll talk to you about. Just let me know. And click like and subscribe for reach to 30 million subscribers, I mean. They'll be honored. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I'm watching YouTube video about excuse me, about Power Rangers. You know, he's doing all. And also, I'm gonna show you of this thing. This is a map right here from Superman the movie. You can see right here. It's like from the movie. Pretty familiar. The next video, do a review of 1978 Lex Luthor figure. Behind me, Lex Luthor and General Zod. Just comment below if you want me to do that by tomorrow after going to the doctor's office or something. I don't know. Just let me know. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, reach 30 million. Bye, and moving out.